No.
You're good?
Another one?
Be right back.
Be right back.
Oh, sh.
Oh, I'm in the middle of clothes. Okay.
So today is Saturday morning. It's like 11 o'clock. My friend over there. But so today we're gonna go eat at the no, first we're gonna go like out shopping. We saw Route 21 yesterday, but they closed down. So we're gonna go see what kind of stores they got up here and go look in them, and then we're gonna come back and eat at the buffet. I want to walk across. It's like a thing that connects the casinos together, so I want to like walk across and see what the other one looks like over there. So we may do that, and yeah, I'm just excited to eat. But yeah, so I will see you guys when we get up and get dressed. Look how pretty it is out here, you guys. Such a pretty day. Y'all, it feels so good out here today. It feels like it's like at least 75 degrees. It was just snowing 2 days ago. That's crazy. Crazy. Carrie, I jump in, you jumping in?
I'm jumping all the way in.
So you guys, we on a mission to find some friends. We at Lowe's right now. After we leave Lowe's, we're gonna go to Walmart. So yeah, we're gonna find us some friends to come back. Well, that sounds like, you know, but yeah, we're gonna find some people to come back and chill with us. We'll see how this goes. We're looking at appliances. Like, look at how cute this washing machine is, though. I'm gonna come for this, I promise you. Here, when I get my house, mark my words. I'm gonna get these. You can come watch.
Your housewarming.
I'm gonna hold it to you. I'm gonna hold your word too. I got it on camera. Carrie buying me that washing machine. I'm gonna have kids, so that's gonna be my personal dishwasher.
What are other leathers?
I love looking at home stuff.
Oh, this one kind I like.
I like this right here. I can't wait. Ooh, that's so nice. This is nice too.
We just looked at houses. Now we looking at.
Hold on real quick. I want this in my room. I want that in my room. What y'all?
Look, I was peeping through trying to see.
Oh, this rug is nice.
Nah, this is
but no, ooh, I like that. But see, I already got my future house planned out. Picked out. I got it picked out already.
Like, I really want to go home. No, I don't want to do that. I would be sad.
What is this, a screen door? I don't like that. I do not like that. It's like a jail thing or something. I don't know. Lowe's is inspiration. Like, what's that other store?
Home Depot.
I don't know if I like Home. These doors, like, I would want to. You know, you getting old.
This is so freaking different.
That is cute.
This is really different. Like, we like literally growing up.
Yeah,
like,
when you get old.
Our house, like,
I like this door though. I like this color. I like this door. I'm gonna have to show you my house though. I'm dead serious. When we get back to the hotel. Would y'all have like what do you call hardwood floors or carpet in your house? Drop it in the comments and let me know. Because my mama, we got carpet, but she's getting it taken up, so we're gonna have hardwood. But I don't think I could ever, like, if I have a house, like when I get my house, I gotta get carpet. Like, your feet don't be cold in the winter. Kitchen. I don't like these cabinets, but okay, it's a bit much. But yeah, I could not do hardwood. I wonder if this water work. Nope. Look at these smart refrigerators. I like that. But okay, so this is a freezer down here.
Yep.
Oh, I like this. I bet it make the Sonic ice too. But what is this right here? I don't know. I like that. I like that.
Not twice.
Y'all, how cute is this? Like you can have these like lining up in your yard. You know what I'm saying? Like on your driveway. That'd be so cute. So it's like we just found like I don't know if it's like apartments back here, but I don't think we can go back there. Y'all can't see it. It's like a door. I think it's some apartment. We're looking for some friends, y'all. We're looking for some friends. Okay, Carrie, you can't go back there. It's like a, yeah.
That's why I was sneaking with him.
Right here, he's about our age. We finna ask him like what they be doing up here or what they got going on. So, okay, we're not from around here. What do people around here do? Like, what do y'all do? Y'all have any like clubs or anything?
Well, clubs ain't popping shit this weekend, so the only thing that's popping is the casino.
The casino.
That's it?
Both of them.
Yeah. Shit, I was out there on the last night.
You were? We didn't see you.
We didn't see you.
Shit, I was walking. Shit, I'm the one that I had a North Face on with some jeans, like some Balmain jeans with some jeans on. They were red suede. I walked. Yeah. Silver Star.
We was at
Silver Star.
Silver Star. We stayed there. Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be out there tonight.
So what? You got any friends?
Yeah, man, I got a few.
Y'all should come. Come through.
What's the way? Like what?
We at Silver Star.
Silver Star. That's where y'all room at?
Yeah. Just text us. I'm for real. Come over there.
Damn shit, man.
You gonna snap us or you gonna text
I'm
us?
coming through the door. Shit.
Okay, snap us. Okay, y'all. So it was successful.
Mission complete, y'all.
Mission complete,
Mission is
y'all.
complete.
Okay, so he said he had some friends. They better not be ugly.
And they better not be no criminals.
He said on 6. No.
Oh no, he gang banging.
No. We ain't trying to do nothing illegal. We're just trying to, you know, have fun, turn up a little bit.
But y'all,
stay tuned. What y'all doing tonight? Is that a girl or a boy? Y'all look. Hey!
hey! Oh, somebody! Oh, that was like,
All right.
Y'all must stay up your way.
No, we just up here for like this weekend.
Just up here for what?
The weekend.
Where you staying at?
We staying with my cousin at some apartments close.
There's some apartments.
Yep. It's confidential.
we don't know. We just here. We just freaking here.
It's really cold out here. So, just a quick question. Any of y'all girls out there, I mean guys too, if the shoe fit, but any of y'all girls out there like to argue, like just love, like really love to argue? I feel like it's a passion of mine. I should have went to be a lawyer. Anyway, when my little boo thing call me, text me, whatever, he is gonna get the best cursing out I've ever given in my life. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I just can't wait. You know it's ridiculous when you can't wait to argue. Hey, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Say hi, Karen.
Hey, y'all.
Okay, so right now we are headed to go eat Mexican. Well, you ain't eating Mexican. I don't know if she's eating Mexican, but I'm gonna go get me a half plate and a drink maybe. Dang, why the elevator red? Anyway, so we about to go eat, then we're gonna go why is it making that noise? I don't know, I'm paranoid about elevators. And then we're gonna go to like the pub or like I think it's like a bowling alley and something else in there, and then come back to the casino. We met a few friends though. We're gonna see if they're gonna stop by. What kind of people in this world? People who walk on the actual sidewalk, and then there's me who walked all the way up the grass. Don't nobody got time for that. Y'all know how long it takes to get on the sidewalk, like actually walk up the sidewalk, bro. Can't do it. We are at this, it's like a family center, whatever. Bowling, skate, and arcade center. They done brought us back here to the Boondocks. Ooh, they go police officer. They're like, oh my God, stop doing that around me.
You need some leave with you?
Thank you, you're so kind. So y'all, we are currently at a Mexican restaurant. I just ordered me a chicken happy plate. I'm so hungry, I don't know what to do. But the bowling alley that we just left from was nothing but like 16, 17, 18-year-olds. And we met a dude that was on a motorcycle earlier. And he like told us to go there because that's where most people are. I don't know how old he thought we was, but he was at least 30, don't you think? He was at least 30. He was at least 30. Like, why? Maybe he'd take his family or something there, but no. Oh, this is my food. Wait, so this is my food. This dip was good. Carrie got her hands in the house.
My friend cute, y'all. Twerk on it. Oh, alright. Hey.
It's a little chilly. Shaking like a stripper. Can't find my car, y'all. All I know is that it better not be towed. That's what I do know. You see it? Girl, y'all, I can't find my car. This is why I need a new car so I can have the alarm on. Jesus. Please. And my feet hurt. So we came out the wrong way. We like by valet. We didn't come this way. So I'm gonna see if the shuttle guy can take us over there because it's too cold and I'm tired. Hey. Hello, can you guys take me to my car? I don't know. All I know is that we didn't come out this side.
How old are you?
21. All right, bet. Thank you. People so kind. Oh, look at the Lord. Hold on, hold it for me.
How old is she?
Thank you. She's 22. She's older. You're 22, right? 21.
She's 21.
Yeah, I'm 21. You want some ID?
Thank you.
You said that
I didn't say it right?
No, you said it right.
So I come to the bathroom, right? We're down at the casino. My favorite movie of all time is on. This is my favorite movie in the entire world. Oh, look at it.
So funny.
Y'all.
What's happening, man? Look, man, they in the city right now. And
Why he leaving us though? I don't appreciate that. He look like Black Youngster or something.
Come on, ain't sauced up, ain't it? We're in the city, man. We're in the city, man.
Can't take them nowhere.
I'm not saying take some money. I'm just trying to say, like,
Hustle means what?
hustle means finesse, which means trying to
Take
take
money.
money. But I'm not saying that. Okay.
End the conversation.
So you think we trying to finesse y'all?
The only thing you bought for this lady right here.
She didn't buy me
No, I
nothing.
didn't- I
He didn't buy me
didn't buy her
nothing because
nothing.
I got my Jack and Coke free. Remember, because I was
didn't buy
playing.
nothing. She got her drink for free. Okay.
But my friend
Right
finessed
before. No, I'm saying that. Right before, I offered to get your drink. Right. Which you're okay with.
All right, you guys. 2:30 in the morning. I know I still feel wide awake. You know, I'm not sleepy at all. But it's 2:30, so it's about time to wrap things up because we're gonna leave here in the morning around 10. Let's go. Are we on the right floor?
This is the first one. Hey, twerk some. Hey.
Hey. Okay, you guys. So that wraps up this vlog. I had to come home and see my baby. Say hey. Say hey, Rookie. Yeah, so I had to come see her. We'll be getting ready to go to Hattiesburg in a few. But thanks for watching this vlog, and I'll see you next time. Peace.